9th class student, exercise 8A, logarithm. First question is express in logarithm form. First part is 5 as power 3 equal 1 to 125. So you write log base right is value is right here, power right the equal. That is second part. Second part is 3 as power minus 2 equal 1 upon 9. Log base is 3, value right here, power right here. Question number 2. Question number 2, write in exponential form. First part is log on base 8 0.125 is equal to minus 1. So you write the exponential form is base power write the here and value right here. That is exponential form. Third part is log a base capital A is equal to x. So you write the a as power small a as power x is equal to capital A. Fourth part is log 10 1 is equal to 0. So exponential form will be 10 as power 0 is equal to 1. Question number 2 is complete. 3 question is solve for x. We find the value of x. Question is log on base 10 x is equal to minus 2. Write the exponential form 10 as power minus 2 is equal to x. Change into positive form 1/10 will be x. 1/10 into 1/10 is equal to x. 1/100 is equal to x. X value is 1/100. Question 4 is find the logarithm. First part our 102 the base 10. You write let the log base right here value is 100 is equal to x. Write the exponential form is 10 as power x is equal to 100. 100 make the power form 10 as power 2. Comparing on x is equal to 2, therefore value log on 10 base 100 is equal to 2. First part is complete. Second part is 0.1 base to the 10. Let log on 10 base 0.1 is equal to x. We find the value of x. 10 as power x is equal to 0.1 in exponential form. Make the base equal. For base equal, remove the point. 10 as power x is equal to 1/10. 10 as power is equal to 10 as power minus 1. 1/10 write the exponential form. Comparing on x is equal to minus 1 log 10 base 0.1 is equal to minus 1. Third part is fourth part. Third part it is same. Fourth part is 32 to the base 4. You let log 4 on 4 base 32 is equal to x. In exponential form 4 as power x is equal to 32. 4 write the 2 as power 2. Common power x it is same. 32 make 2 as power 5. Multiply by power 2x is equal to 2 as power 5. Base are equal. Comparing on 2x is equal to 5. Base are equal, power x is equal to 5 upon 2. Log 4 base 32 is equal to 5 upon 2. Question number 5th. Fifth part is zero point 125 base to the, तो you write the log 2 base 0.125 is equal to x. In exponential form, 2 as power x is equal to 0.125 upon, remove the point, write the 1, 3 1 ja and 8 ja. 2 as power x is equal to 1 upon 8. Write in exponential form 1 upon 2 as power 3 x. 2 as power x is equal to 2 as power make b minus 3. Compare, base are equal. Comparing on x is equal to minus 3. So you write the log 2 base 0.125 is equal to minus 3. Sixth part is one upon 16 base to the base of 4. So you write the 4 1 upon 16 is equal to x. Write the exponential form. 4 as power x is equal to 1 upon 16. Write the, do the equal base. Equal base will be 16 factor 4 into 4. 4 as power 2. 4 as power x is equal to 4 as power minus 2. Comparing on x is equal to minus 2. So you write the log 4 base 1 upon 16 is equal to minus 2. That is sixth part. Seventh part. Seventh part is 27 to the base equal, base is 9. So you write the log base on 9 27 is equal to x. Write the exponential form. 9 as power is equal to 27. 9 write the 3 square. Common power is 27, write the 3 cube, multiply by power 3 as power 2x is equal to 3 as power 3. Base are equal. Comparing on 2x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 upon 2. Question number 6 is after 4. Question number 6. We find the value of x. Find x if first part is log base on 3 x is equal to 0. Write the we find the value of x. Exponential form is 3. Write the power x right here. 3 as power 0 value is 1 is equal to x. So you write the log 3 as on base 3, 1 is equal to 0. Second part is our log x base on x 2 is equal to -1. X has power -1 is equal to 2. Power is right 1 upon x is equal to 2 upon 1. After close multiply x is equal to 1 upon 2. Question second part is complete. Fourth part log 5 base on 5 base x minus 7 is equal to 1. Write the exponential form. 5 as power 1 is equal to x minus 7. Remove the power x minus 7. 7 reach the left hand side, make b plus 12 is equal to x. X value is 12. Fifth part is log 4x. Log base on 4 32 is equal to x minus 4. Write the exponential form. X minus 4 is equal to 32. 4 write the 2 as power 2. Common power x minus 4 it is same. 32 make the 2 as power 5. Multiply by power 2 as 2x. 2 4 ja 8 is equal to 2 as power 5. Base are equal. Comparing on 2 minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 plus 8. X is equal to after plus 13 upon 2. Question 6th part is log on 7 base 2x square minus 1 is equal to 2. Write the exponential form. X has 7 has power 2 is equal to 2x square minus 1. Square 7 square is 49 is equal to 2x square minus 1. 1 bring the left hand side. 49 plus 1 is equal to 2x square. 50 is equal to after plus 2x square. X square is equal to 50 upon 2 divided by 50 25. 25 is equal to x square. Then x is equal value plus minus 24. X value square make be under root plus minus 5. Question is 6th question is complete. Thank you.